Okay guys, this is what the other one looks like. I'm trying to clean this off because there's a sticky stuff here, so I have to sand this down. So this is what the other one looks like, and this is what the painted one looked like. I kind of distressed it a little bit because I thought it was like too perfect, so I kind of like distressed the edge a little bit and stuff. I don't know if my Marcelo's gonna like that, but I like it. So anyways, so this is what that looks like. I'm getting ready to do this one, and that one over there is just making messes. Okay, so one coat already looks so good. Yay. Just need to finish the bottom. And that child is still over there messing with stuff. But yeah, it's getting going. Don't mind the mess, guys. That's just Maddie. That's just life with a toddler. And I see imperfection. Is that what I think it is? No, that's just the light. I love how it turned out. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. What I did was I went back in with the paint because I think I took off way too much paint when I distressed. So I just went back in because it was looking a little too raw for me. So I just went back in and put in some more paint. So I just need to put some more sealer on that. But overall, I think it's finished. Good morning, peeps. It's been a while. My intention is to vlog all week this week, but who knows? So we're getting ready to go to the house. My mother-in-law is somewhere back there. I can't see her. She's so short. Ooh, there goes the short lady.
Mommy said I woke up like this.
Say hello.
Hello.
All right. Get that out your system. Did you get that out your system? Say hello, Miss Mad. She's always in the same onesie, the same overall, because what, we're living out of our boxes now. You know what I mean? Hubby's supposed to be getting the van so we can go, but I don't know where he at. So yeah, we're going to the house and I'm gonna show you guys the progress. I have a lot of footage which I haven't edited, which I'm so bad at editing. I don't know why, but I'm good at vlogging, but I never edit the video and put it up. Makes no sense. Dun, dun, dun. So we're getting ready to go to the house. And it's far, so yeah, let's go. Husband, is the van ready? Yeah. Are we ready? I can't find my shoe. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning, people.
Daddy.
Have a good day.
Daddy. Daddy.
Guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all have your shoe?
Maybe in my car.
Someone grab me a water, please. I need water.
Take a little.
Water.
Be careful with my tea.
Be careful with grandma.
Mi tecito calentito ahí que yo tomando.
Okay.
Después les dejo la botella por allá.
Anyways, people, I will see you guys when we get up there because I got to get all these kids in the vehicle. I can't wait to do my lunch videos here. I'm going to paint these gray. And then these cabinets I'm going to paint white. And then I'm going to change the floors.
Okay, that's it. Ready?
Pantry.
You're so smart.
This is our back door. And we have trim. So this week we have trim, cabinets, doors, and our vinyl floor. So we're getting there, right, honey? We're getting there, right? And the kids are so excited. Hi. Hi. Don't go up there. No. 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 Folks, I usually don't vlog at night. I don't know why I have the camera in my hand, but I just felt compelled to pick up the camera and say, hi, sunshines. Look at dirty baby back there. Did you guys spot that dirty baby right there? That's my dirty baby. She's always dirty. The only thing that's missing is her Wendy's. Is it Wendy's nugget, honey? Her Wendy's nugget. The only thing that's missing for Maddie to be the poster child of the Dirty Baby campaign is the Wendy's nugget. She's so lucky we don't eat Wendy's. Hold on for a second. Let me show you guys the hot mess. Say hi. That is the Dirty Baby, guys. She got into my makeup. She got into my makeup earlier and smeared makeup all over her face. Don't mind the clothes and stuff everywhere. We literally have less than 4 weeks. We literally have less than 4 weeks to go. So clothes, I'm packing my clothes now. I'm putting them in that big old box over there. There's just box clutter everywhere. It's just like, oh gosh, there's stuff just spilling out from everywhere. I'm like, why do people look, why do we own so much stuff? Like, why do people need so much stuff? You know what I mean? You never know you have too much stuff until it's time to pack it up. Why? Leah, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're not supposed to be on mommy's cell phone. Give it here.
Where's the pocket socket?
She looks like a bunny rabbit, doesn't she, with just 2 teeth. Maddie only has 4 teeth from the time she was born until now. Give it to me. And she has 6 teeth. She's near almost, how old is she? I don't even remember how old the child is.
She's 1 year old.
Yeah, 1 year old, but technically 1 year and a couple months. No, we're not gonna do that. Look, let me show you guys how dirty she is.
16.
Come in. Let's show the camera how dirty you are. Look at her face. She's a high yellow. And she looks orange right now. Because she has so much makeup on her face. Just piled on. Are you dirty? And look at her hair. I call myself just letting her roam and be natural. But it's starting to get nappy now. Oh gosh. She's having a breakdown. So, I'm gonna go put these kids in bed. Yeah, what are you doing?
Huh?
Answer the question. It's bedtime around here. What time is it?
8:40.
Turn off the TV. Turn off the TV. Bedtime. Go into your room. Put on your PJs.
Good night.
Good night. Love you. Put your PJs on.
Destiny, you're not
Put your pajamas on.
No.
I love you. Put your pajamas on. Oh, Maddie learned this new thing now. Do it, Maddie. She know how to blow kisses now, guys. It's the funniest thing ever. It's the funniest thing ever. Look at Dirty Baby blow kisses. It's the funny thing around here for us to call her Dirty Baby. It's really funny to call her Dirty Baby because she's always dirty. Destiny didn't pack Daddy's lunch? No? Oh, someone's in trouble. Whose clothes is that on the floor? Pick them up. Your clothes is on the floor. Whose stuff is that? Make sure everything is off the floor.
What kind?
Anyways, people, light is about to go out, and oh wow, I've been talking 4 minutes. Light is about to go out. These children are about to go to bed. I'm gonna try to edit a video and put it up tomorrow. You know what I mean? And my battery's dying. Say good night. Good night.
Good night, Pete. Good night, Missy. Good night, Missy. Good night.
The older boys never want to be on camera, so I can't force them. I'm not about to force these big grown men to be on camera.
Good night. We're gonna do that at the end.
Okay, go ahead. Do the palm thing.
And then you do.
Okay, hurry up. The battery's dying.
Wait.
All right.
Wait.
That we don't do that around here, so I don't know.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. Last minute.
All right, go say good night.
Wait.
All right.
Put it down. Put it down.
You blowing kisses?
Night.
You're the sweetest little one. Aww. Let's see if Daddy will say good night. Say good night, hubby. Oh, you so pink.
Good night.
Can never get reaction out of him.
What do you want?
See? Can't get a reaction out of him. It's okay.
We're actually just say goodnight. I said goodnight. What do you want?
I don't want anything. You'd think that I want your money or something. I don't. No, no. Anyways, people, I'm gonna go. And we'll see you guys on Monday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good weekend, guys. Bye.
Mommy.